Creating leaves with bugle beads. I'm going to show you how to use bugle beads to embellish your work. With a doubled up sewing thread and a fine needle, come up from behind the work at the base of one of the leaves. I'm using white thread so you can see clearly what I'm doing. Thread your needle with the number of beads you require to outline your leaf. Here I need 3 on one side and 3 on the other, so 6 beads in total. Once you have enough beads, stitch down at the other end of the leaf at the base of the flower. Shape the leaf with your fingers. At the point of the leaf, stitch back up from behind the work and then pull tight. Stitch over this to secure the shape. Next, repeat stitching over the thread in between each bead where one touches the other, shaping it as you go. Next, to create the vein of the leaf, come up centrally at the base. Thread the amount of bugle beads required, in this case I'm using 3. Stitch back down at the top of the point of the flower. Repeat the process of stitching over the thread in between each bead to secure the shape. Repeat this for any other leaves.